Level 1 Charleston.
Maddie.
Peter, the last class. You guys rocked it. We did some fun stuff today. Here's a little sequence we gave you. Let's get up. Hey, hey, woo! Turning, rock step, woo! Then we hit the basics. Then we turned around, hit, ha, hook, ho, and bam. Now we go around the world, and hey, ho, do that again, and hey, and hook, ho, now we're done. And hook, ho! Good hustle and all that, everybody. We then did 20s Charleston. That is, when we're facing each other like this. I go back, she goes forward. Ha, ha, touch, step. Twist is optional for you guys. If you want to practice this, hands in opposition, that's great. But we're just here, and we just worked on the transition. Get that 5 you're looking for. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hook, ha. 5 is when you start leaving. 5, 6, 7, 8, you come back. On both of those, think of the touch or the rock step as a stretching moment to get you ready to go the other direction. So when I want to hit 5 here, I go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, stretch 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. When I want to get back, 5, 6, 7, I go 1, 2, 3, stretch 6, 7, and we come back. That was it. Great job, everybody.